Hello everyone, Dave here from Showdown. Let's take a little walk around 1980 Mustang we just got in. A little 2.3 liter, automatic trans, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning in the car works, heater works, everything in the car works. The nice thing about this car, it's a Survivor with 14,557 miles. You don't find them like this. And when you see them, you buy them. We actually just had it pinstriped. It was faded. Tires are like new on it. Beautiful paint. Interior looks like new. Runs and drives like a brand new car still. Car come out of Louisiana. It's got the safety inspection sticker still on the windshield there. Rust-free car. All the floor pans you can see are all painted orange still. It was never undercoated. Bottoms of the doors and everything is clean as a whistle. Beautiful glass. They have touched up the little black trim here over the years. You can tell that's been touched up. But it's still single stage paint. When I wax it, I had a little orange on my pad, so. Beautiful dash, no cracks, all the gauges work. Factory radio works. All the jams are just like the outside there, nice and clean. Rubbers all look nice. No tear, no wear in the seat covers. Headliner is all in nice shape, no sagging. Gauges work. You hear the door buzzer there working. Dash is still on the fast idle there. Super clean jams. All the door panels are all in nice shape, they're not faded. Factory stickers in there you can read. See the bottom of the door, how clean they are. Nice little car just to jump in and cruise around. Or if you want to modify it, this is the one to do. Full lug. Nice and straight body. Look under the hood here. 2.3 liter, all simple factory. So I got the factory smog pump on it. We're trying to locate a air cleaner lid there, someone stole, but it'll be on there when we sell it. Just gotta find one. It runs really nice. About 38 degrees outside today, and you can tell this car really runs nice. Passenger side here, how nice the dash looks. Back seat there. Really looks nice inside. Factory seat belts are still on it. See all the jams are in the stickers in the jam there. Shut nice. It does have remote mirrors. Hatch here. See how nice the panels all look. The back seat does fold down. Even the factory spare still in it. Never been touched. Lights work on the deck lid here. Gas shocks are really firm. Deck lid shuts nice. Take a peek underneath for you just to show you undercarriage. Questions at all, my name's Dave. Our number is 586-791-0778, showdownauto.com. Thanks for watching. Take care.